Hello guys, welcome to the new video, and today I'm going to show you that how you can create stickers to sell with the help of Canva and Printful software or websites. So the most basic thing that you have to be doing is that you have to create an account on Canva, or if you have an account on Canva, you have to just sign in and then just dive right into the process. So let's start actually creating the stickers. Now what you have to do is you have to click on custom size to get your preferable size of the workspace, and you have to select inches here. Now px means pixels, mm means millimeter, and cm means centimeter. So I just want it like a perfectly balanced workspace, so I'm just gonna make it like 10 by 10, a square workspace, and I'll just create a new design. Yeah, so this will be my workspace. And now to actually add the stickers, what I'm going to do is I'm going to elements, and then I will just write my preference here. But let's just say that it's February, so for the Valentine theme I'm just going to write love. I will go to graphics to get the actually sticker stuff. So these are like stickers that I'm gonna add, and these are stickers which comes with the premium membership. So I will just add these stickers. You have to keep some things in mind while adding the stickers, that are that if you add them like too much close, let's say if I add them like this close, what's gonna happen that when you get the order done by Printful, they might actually merge them or like make the stickers overlapping to each other, that we definitely don't want. So what we have to keep in mind, that we have to like keep a certain distance, a safe distance between like two stickers, so that that thing never happens. So yes, just keep adding your stickers that you think are good. Like I think this one is really pretty, and here you can see magic recommendations. So guys, magic recommendations are just like these are just recommendations based on the sticker you just selected. So this is like a thing with Canva, that if you select an element, it's gonna suggest you more of the same category, which is like really cool thing to do. So this one will be the last sticker. Okay, so it's not even visible, so no, I will just add one of like this. Okay, so I'm just done with the stickers. What I'm gonna do now is like just arrange them in the way you want, and once again keep like the distance between them, or the gap between them in mind. You have to keep like a nice gap between them, and you have to leave some gap like in the margins also. You cannot do it just like, you can just not do like it this, you cannot do this, because when the stickers are made, it might cut down, it might like cut it from here, so that's not good. You have to keep it like it pretty levitating or above the margin. Okay, so that's it. Now we have to like download it as an image or PDF. So to download it, you just have to go to share and then click on download straight away. Now PNG suggested, JPG, PDF standard, PDF print, SVG, MP4, GIF. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to select PDF standard and download. So this will start. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to download it in like JPG, or yes, I'm going to download it in JPG format and download. Okay, so now let's get to the Printful. Now what we have to do is create stickers. So obviously what we're gonna do is like search for sticker template. Sticker. So we are actually using Printful is because this is like a great website from where you can actually get your stuff created by this company. For example, let's say you want to create your merch, you can actually use this printful, and this user interface is like really really good and smooth. So yes, this when you search sticker, it will show you like two options, kiss cut stickers and kiss cut sticker sheets. Now we don't have to like choose this, we have to select this because we have stickers on our sheet. There are multiple stickers on a single sheet, just like this. So let's just straight away start designing. This is like price and this is the delivery date. I'll just start designing. You have to drop your design here, so just double click here and like create new folder. No, not actually create new folder, upload new file and just select the downloaded content we just made. Okay, so just select it and open. So this is like this will take a few like seconds and it will be ready. So just click on apply, and this is like a preview, and you can now actually set up them according to your preferences. You can just left click and hold and drag it like up or down to this is so basically to determine the space where your stickers will be like coming on the sheet. So this is where the stickers will come. And now what you can do is you can, if you see that there is a lot of space left like here and here, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna click on crop and then I'll just crop it down a little. Yes, just like that. I can crop it down from, yes, so this is enough. Now I'll just click on apply and that's it. I don't want to like make any changes. However, if you want to like transform, you can transform it here. You can like rotate it like one. I'll just like, you can just rotate it like this. However, this is like good actually. You I would like actually like to rotate it from I don't want to actually rotate it, but that's it. If you want to rotate it, you can like actually make it rotate from here, but that's it. What I'm going to do now is I'll just go to add to cart, and now my product is like added to cart. Kiss cut sticker sheet white, this is my product. And what you have to do now is you have to click on continue to checkout. So when you click on continue to checkout, the basic stuff that happens with every website when you check out is going to show up. It will like show you the price and you have to just select it, and it will like ask your shipping address and everything. You have to just fill this up and you just follow the next steps to actually order it. So that's it. That's it for how you can create or get your stickers done by Printful. Now there is one more thing with like Canva, that if you wanted to make stickers not like on a square format, you wanted them to be on a A4 full size document, so you can just go to here and write A0, and you can just write A4. So this will show you like templates: A4 resume, Christmas A4, A4 calendar, A4 document, 210 by 297 mm. What I'm gonna do is that I'm going to select this A4. Now you can select blank document if you want like a blank page like the previous one that was 10 by 10. But if you want like these formats, that your stickers will be like printed with these borders on them, so you can also select these. Like you can select this and then click on customize this template, and again go to elements and then select anything like summer, like, and then go to graphics, and again you can like add them. So after you add them, it's the same thing again. You can just go to like Printful and get them printed. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, you have to just smash the like button, and please subscribe to my channel. And also, if you think that I should make videos on any other topic or any other thing of like Canva, you can just comment on below, and I'll work on that. Thank you. Bye bye.